Want to stand out in your application to Tata Group or other top companies? Here is the free job simulation by Tata IQ on data visualization that will boost your resume, LinkedIn, and interview confidence. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Nam's World, where I post the updates about job, internship, and free courses alerts. So check out my channel. These are the videos which I posted related to internship, jobs, and all. Once check it out. And if you're new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button because it keeps me motivated to post such content. And here are my social media handles. You can follow me in LinkedIn, Instagram, and in Telegram, where I post the latest updates. So if you want to know the sign up process, then you can watch this video. I will put in the description. Please check it out. So in this video, we'll talk about the sign up, that is registration process. So click on sign up, give your email here, and then just click on create free account. First give your email here. Click on free account, create free account. Then you will get this. You need to enter your first name, last name, password, date of birth, and password must be 15 characters. Means your password should be 15 characters long. Means 15 letters it should have, and it should include capital letters, small letters, and numbers also. Password should be something like, your password should be 15 characters long, means 15 letters you need to have in your password, and it should include at least one capital letter, one small letter, and one number. For example, I'm showing your password should be like this. Okay, then your date of birth, your university, high school, then search your university. If your university or college is not listed here, you can just select not listed. Okay, expected graduation date means when you will complete your graduation. Suppose you started your graduation in 2022, then your expected graduation date is 2026. If you started in 2023, then your expected graduation date will be 2027. If you started in 2024, then your expected graduation date will be 2028. You need to select your expected graduation date like month, like in which month you will complete your graduation. For example, if I'll complete my graduation in 2026 in the month of May, then you can click this and then click on agree and join. Institution is not listed, you can just type my institution is not listed. Then click on agree and join. Then you'll get education. What is your current or highest completed level of study? If you're doing BTech, then you can select bachelor's degree. Majors, like if you are from CSC background, then you can click computer science. If you are from information technology, then you can click this one, IT. If you are from engineering, or like any other. If you have not studied, then you can select I have not selected. Okay, so I'm selecting computer science. You can select more than one also, engineering. Okay, then your grade and education detail is optional. It's your choice if you want to fill or not. Then click on next. This one is also optional, but I'll tell you if you want to fill, like where you are authorized to work, like where you can work. You can select any country. Where is your primary place, like where you're living now, or where is your native place, kind of. You can select your city and state. Are you willing to relocate for a role? Means if you want to transfer from one place to another, like wherever they give you the job role, you need to transfer to that place. Are you willing for that? Yes or no? Which careers interest you? This is compulsory. You can select anything of your interest. You can select more, like not only one, more than one you can select. How do you hear about us? This is optional, like from LinkedIn or from friend, Google search, anything. Then click on next. Oh, this is mandatory. So, India, right? If you're from India, then you can click India. So, next, click on next. Next, you will get like this. Which of these companies would you be interested in working for? You can select whatever you want. Then click on, I clicked on select all. Then I'm clicking on continue. Then they are asking, are you ready to be discovered by top companies? If you're ready, then you can click yes or continue later. You can go. Yes, I'm ready. If you're ready. So you are welcome to the Forage. Now you just need to click on start free program. This link you will find in my this video description, and along with this you will find other two internship links in my description. Please check it out. If you're interested in cybersecurity, then that link I will post in the description, and also regarding the technology also similar to the data visualization it will be. So I'll post the link in the description. Please check it out. Now click on start free program. Okay, then so it's taking time for loading. Keep patience. So again they will ask, how did you hear about Tata data visualization? You can select anything like Forage or LinkedIn. So again they're asking, I'm enrolling in the data visualization virtual experience program because I'm not really sure what an IQ is. If you are not sure, then you can click. If you want to learn more about it, then you can click this. And if you want to build your skills in data science, then click this. If you want to increase the chances of getting hired by Tata, then click on this. So click anything of your choice, then click on next. And next one, I have a good understanding of who Tata is and what the work they do. If you strongly agree, you can click strongly agree. If disagree, you can click. If you know about it, then click on agree. I feel confident about the type of work I would be doing at Tata. Agree. Based on what I currently know about Tata, I am likely to apply for a role at Tata. Agree. So, for signing in, you'll get this task 1, task 2, task 3, and task 4. After completing the task, you'll get the certificate. So, this is the certificate which I got from Tata. You can also get if you do all the process, and you can also listen to these videos. So that's all for today's video. Don't forget to share it with your friends. And if you're new here, do subscribe to my channel because I post the updates on jobs, internship and free courses. So see you in next video. Till then, keep learning. Bye bye.